Welcome back to SAEs with Tech, where smart meets simple and the future meets you. If you're into game-changing gear, tech hacks, and tools that put power in your pocket, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. If you own Bitcoin, you're not just investing, you're being hunted. Scammers, hackers, exchange failures, they're all out there. But what if I told you all of that risk could disappear with one powerful tool? Bitkey keeps your private keys offline, locked inside this clean, portable device. It works with your phone and the Bitkey app using a genius 2 of 3 multi-key system. You lose your phone, you're still safe. Forget your cloud backup, no problem. Hackers? They don't stand a chance. It's perfect for travelers, investors, and anyone who's done with risky exchanges and confusing crypto tools. It's secure, simple, and it puts you in control. No third parties, no stress. And here's the kicker. Bitkey was designed to make Bitcoin human-proof. Lost access? You can recover it. Lost trust in exchanges? You won't need them anymore. It's time to stop storing your crypto like it's 2016. This is 2025. Get Bitkey. Own your Bitcoin fully. Ready to lock down your crypto the smart way? Click the link below to grab your Bitkey now and check out our full review at seeuswithtech.com. Don't wait for a hack to make you regret it. Like this breakdown? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on tech that actually makes your life easier. This is SAEs with Tech. Tech made simple, secure, and smart. See you in the next one.